Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the top brake light bulb right here. Really simply, really easy. Let's go. Subscribe. So all you got to do is put your hand here and push towards the back of the glass and then lift up, and then once it's up like this, then all you got to do is just wiggle it out, and here you can see the light bulb. So at this point, all we need to do is grab by this plastic housing and just turn it counterclockwise, and then it should come out, and there's our light bulb. This is the light bulb. There's nothing else to it. All you gotta do is pull it out like so, and then let's go get the new one. All right, so you need 921 light bulbs, and I got this from Walmart, but I think any auto parts store should really have these bulbs for you. Okay, all you gotta do is line it up with the socket and push it. There you go. Before we put anything back, let's test it out first. There we go. All right, so now that we know the bulb is working, we can go ahead and put everything back. All we have to do is line up the notches. You see the notches on the housing? Line up the notches with the notches you see on the socket. Once you're in, then you just want to tighten it or go clockwise about a quarter turn, and you're in. And then we're just going to put it back. So you just want to line up the notches. Okay, so what you got to do, you see this down here? There's a little plastic like tab, I guess you can say. All you got to do is push it towards the glass, and then it should go down like that. And that's it, you're done. All right, guys, that's it for this video. The top brake light is back in. As you can see, it was really straightforward, really simple. Thank you for watching. If you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.